Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete, step-by-step guide on how to download and install Steam on your laptop or PC. I'll also share a few advanced tips along the way, so you can avoid common errors and make sure Steam runs smoothly from the very start. So let's get into it. First, open any web browser on your laptop or PC. I recommend using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, since they usually handle downloads faster and with fewer compatibility issues. In the search bar, type Download Steam and hit Enter. The very first link you should see is from store.steampowered.com. That's the official website. Always make sure you're on the official site, because downloading from third-party sites can cause malware or installation errors. Click on the Install Steam button in the top right corner of the page. Now you'll be taken to the Steam download page. Here you'll see a big blue button labeled Install Steam. Go ahead and click it. Once you click, the download will start automatically. You'll get a small setup file called Steam Setup.exe if you're on Windows. If you're using macOS, the file will end with .dmg instead. Now, next, locate the Steam setup file and double-click on it to begin installation. When Windows shows the user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes. Don't worry, this is safe because it's coming directly from Steam. The setup window will appear. Click Next to continue. Now you'll be asked to choose your language. Pick the one that you're comfortable with, then click Next again. After that, you'll be asked where you want to install Steam. By default, it will go into C App Program Files, x86, Steam. This is fine for most people, but here's an advanced tip. If you have a separate SSD drive or a partition with more free space, I recommend changing the install location to that drive. Steam and games run much faster on an SSD compared to a normal hard drive. You can do this by clicking Browse, selecting your SSD folder, and then clicking Next. Now click Install. The installer will extract all the necessary files, and you'll see a progress bar showing how long it will take. Once it's done, click Finish. By default, Steam will launch automatically after installation. If it doesn't, you can open it manually by searching Steam in your Windows Start menu. The first time Steam opens, it will automatically download and install important updates. This can take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Don't close it during this process. Once the updates are done, the Steam login window will appear. If you already have an account, enter your username and password here. If not, click on Create a new account and follow the instructions. It only takes a few minutes. If this guide helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Are you downloading Steam on a laptop or a gaming PC? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.